you haven't made your first sale. Because the biggest problem I have with digital marketers is they have joined the legacy video program or any other program out there, but they haven't been able to make the first sale. Now 99.9% the reason behind why you have not made your first sale is because you don't know how to market. The reason why you don't know how to market is because you don't want to know. Because you bought a course, you paid for the course, but you don't want to go through it. Right? It's too much work to go through the modules. It is too much pain for you to sit down and want to learn how the modules operate. But that's not the case. In most cases, all you have to do is to plug in and go through the course, because that course teaches you how to market the same product that you bought. Can you imagine? It's not nothing else. You have got everything it takes for you to start marketing, getting your first sale. So this is what exercise I do in my mentorship program. I get my students and I ask them and tell them, like, show me what or how many modules you have covered. Most cases they haven't gone through it. They are barely 30%. Boom. So I know that's the biggest problem. The course itself, you have not gone through it and you're complaining you have not made your first sale. That course is the one that teaches you how to market on social media. So you are going to make your first sale. Immediately you complete the course. Can you imagine? You have got the success formula with you, but you are not going through the program that you bought. So listen, my advice is this. Number one, go through the program. You bought it. That is what you paid for. So go through it. The moment you have gone through it, you will be able to learn how to market your program on social media. Then after you have done that, what the course teaches. It's a very simple process that you can follow. Now, if you don't want to go through that and you want my direct hands-on support on my mentorship program, just go down below here, comment mentorship. I'll send you the details on how you can enroll a mentorship, save yourself the time and the effort, so you quit doing trial and error.